really opened up. Watch out, Diamante! She's bleeding as well, but she gets caught. She got caught by both ladies.
Oh, my! Tasty burger. Oh, no!
Thumbtacks and glass. My God.
Look at the shards of glass that are in amongst those thumbtacks. Oh, God, no!
They're getting medieval on her ass. Digging her forehead and her face into the thumbtacks. Here we go.
My God, no! Come on!
I don't know if she may be trying a Death Valley driver on the table or not. This time blocked.
No!
And Willow.
Hang on, Willow!
Willow hanging on the table right beneath her.
Watch out,